In this video, I will show you how to create playlist in YouTube, which has been updated. You need to go to YouTube Studio dashboard, and next click Contents tab to set up playlist in YouTube. In the Contents page, we need to select the videos we need to add to playlist. And next, we need to click this Add to Playlist tab in the top. And in this window, we can create the new playlist, add a suitable title for the playlist, and the visibility to public, if you want it to be visible to everyone. And create the playlist. And next, if you want to add the same videos to other playlist, you can select the playlist here and save it to update the changes. You can click this playlist tab above to view all the playlists we have created, and you can see the new playlist created here. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please like, comment, and share my video if you like it, and so not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.